Prerequisites: make sure you already have VS Code and MinGW installed. First, open the computer graphics.h GitHub repository. I have included this link in the description below. Then download the zip file and extract it. After completing download, insert the extracted folder. From here, copy graphics.h and winbgim.h files. Then go to your C drive, MinGW, include folder and paste both files here. Next, copy the lbgi.a file from the extracted folder. Paste it into MinGW lib folder. Now create a new folder and open it in VS Code. Inside it, create a file named circle.cpp. Here, write a simple circle drawing program using Graphics.h. Next, create a .vs code folder inside your project and add a tasks.json file. Then open the link from the description. Copy this code and paste it there. After that, go to VS Code extensions, search exe runner and install it. Then again search code runner and open its settings. Scroll down to settings.json and open it. In CPP, type this text exactly as shown. I have directly included this text in the description box for your convenience. I repeat again, type this highlighted text exactly here. Finally, run your circle.cpp file and you should see a graphics window pop up. Also try running the second example, home.cpp. These two codes also provided description below. And that's it. You have successfully set up graphics.h in VS Code for C or C++. Super quick and easy.